Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Supari. Hope you're doing great. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you, and I'm going to walk you through a super easy affiliate marketing method that can help you make hundreds of dollars per day. And the best part is it's all using free traffic. And guys, please make a note, getting rich overnight is not at all possible. It requires a lot of time and dedication to put in to get successful results. And guys, by any chance, if you are really interested in my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, just by making using of your computer and internet connection, then please visit the first link in the description. And also stick to this video till the end. Why? Because I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Just imagine if an ordinary Indian person like me who can create systems worth thousands of dollars, why can't you do the same and make money for your success? So you know how important short form content is on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Snapchat and TikTok, right? Well, here is the thing. There are still a ton of YouTube channels out there that aren't taking advantage of short form content. And that's where you come in. You're going to help them out by introducing them to an amazing tool called Clip. Clip is a game changer for YouTubers because it allows them to easily turn their long form videos into highly engaging short clips, complete with B-rolls, captions, music and more, all with just a click of a button. Alright, and the best part, you don't have to create anything yourself or sell any services. You are simply going to tell these creators about the awesome tool. Getting started is super easy. All you have to do is sign up to their affiliate program, which takes less than 2 minutes. So once you are in, you'll earn a 25% recurring commission for every person you refer to Clip. Pretty sweet, right? Now, here is where the magic happens. You're going to head over to YouTube and find two types of creators to reach out to. First, look for podcast channels that are posting long videos but aren't using short form content. These creators are perfect candidates for Clip. Next, find YouTubers who are creating a lot of videos but aren't utilizing the shorts format yet. These creators could also benefit greatly from Clip. So once you have identified these channels, all you have to do is reach out to them via email. So you can find their email addresses in about section. Go and grab those emails. Keep it simple and let them know about Clip and how it can help them grow their channel. So don't forget to include your affiliate link so you can credit for the referral. So you can make use of this exact email as you can see on the screen. And there is a pro tip for you. Consider creating a quick video using a screen recording services like Loom to explain about Clip in more detail. So including a video in your email can significantly increase your conversions. So you can make use of second email to drop your video link. And also you can follow the exact same strategy. You can do review videos and post it on YouTube. So you can do a screen recording of other softwares and post it on your YouTube channel and start generating traffic. And also include the link in the description so that once anyone get converted, you get credited. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful method for making money with affiliate marketing. So once you start earning commissions, you can even hire a virtual assistant to handle the outreach for you. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork and freelancer.com will be helping you out to hire a virtual assistant for you. So you can pay $5 per 1 hour, create a Gmail ID and give access to them and ask them to follow the exact same strategy and keep on repeating for affiliate sales. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video, and as I promised, I would also like to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. But before, just imagine if an ordinary Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars just by creating these kinds of automated systems as you can see on the screen. Why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? Okay, here in courses section, you will be coming across with a bundle of programs, and I'm about to give you this complete set of programs for absolutely free. And these programs would be helping you out to start your own online business. All right. So for access, you need to just visit the URL and click on join as a member. And please make a note, this is only for the first 100 members who join our community. So take chance. This is a golden opportunity for you. So be into my community and grab this complete bundle for absolutely free. And also If you like to know my own strategy, my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from home, so there is a masterclass down below. Please click the first link in the description, get registered, and watch the complete presentation. And if you're watching this video for the first time, then please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notifications from mine. Also, it would be helping me out to create new content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.